Are you tired of feeling stuck financially and want to find a way to earn extra income without leaving your home? What if I told you there is a simple method to turn your everyday activities into cash? Intrigued? Stick around because in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money today. Earning money using the concept of a kick or a strong call to action involves effectively motivating your audience to take actions that can generate revenue for you. Here are several ways to incorporate a kick to earn money, especially in the context of online content creation, marketing, and sales. So first of all you have to do is dive into Kick affiliate program. So this is the homepage. We have here how to become a Kick affiliate and enable subscriptions. We have also here all collections, stream resources. We have here how to become an affiliate program Kick, enable subscriptions. We have here contact support also, and we have here also English. You choose the language you want. Then if we scroll down, we have other information about how to become a Kick affiliate and enable subscriptions. Affiliates are Kick content creators who have streamed for more than 5 hours and have 75 or more followers. Once you are an affiliate, you can set up your sub button and start receiving revenue from paid subscriptions. You can check the progress of your affiliate status by logging into your Kick account and heading over to your achievement. You can just click over here and get started with kick.com with and start earning money. Once you have reached the minimum or requirement, the enable subscriptions button will become available. So this is the homepage of kick.com. You can just dive into kick.com or just click over the link here and start. So this is my account. If you wanna sign up, all you have to do, I have here two buttons, one's for sign up and one of login. So if you wanna sign up, all you have to do is write your email and password, confirm password and username, then you confirm it by your email and you get started with Kick. Then we have here a various videos. As you can see, we have here various videos. So someone use gaming or using live football or something that you love, sorry, something that you love. So here we have other information like channel, creator dashboard, subscriptions, settings, and log out. So then I will give you some steps to how to earn money with Kick. So first of all, we have affiliate marketing. You promote products or services and include a unique affiliate link. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Then we have product sales. You can sell physical or digital products such as merchandise, ebooks, courses, or exclusive content to kick found viewers to make a purchase. Then we have sponsored content. Partner with brands and promote their products or services to kick encourages viewers to engage with the sponsor, often leading to sales or sign-ups. Also, we have donations and crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or direct PayPal donations allow viewers to financially support creators. The gig encourages contributions by highlighting the benefits of gratitude. Also, we have ad revenue. On platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue. The gig can remind viewers that watching ads helps support your content. Furthermore, we have subscription and membership, offer exclusive content or perks for paid subscribers or members. The gig highlights the benefits of subscribing or joining. Finally, we have live streams and super chats. During live streams, viewers can donate through platforms like YouTube Super Chat, where their messages are highlighted. So that's it for how you can earn money with Kick. Let's know some types of for an effective Kick. First of all, you have to be clear and direct. Clearly state what action you want the audience to take. Then you have to be crisp. You have to create urgency. Use phrases like limited time, exclusive offer, or ask now to encourage immediate actions. Also, we have highlight benefits, explain what's in it for the audience, whether it's a discount, exclusive content, or supporting a cause. Finally, we have beginning. Authenticity resonates with audiences, so be sincere in your apples. So earning money on Kick or any similar platform can have several benefits. First of all, we have flexibility. Many platforms offer the ability to set your own hours and work from anywhere, which can be ideal for balancing work with other commitments. Then we have diverse income streams. By leveraging a platform like Kick, you can diversify your source of income, reducing reliance on a single job or business ventures. Also, we have community and networking. You often have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, which can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and support. Also, we have skill development. Working on such platforms can help you develop valuable skills in areas like digital marketing, content creation, and online engagement. Then we have scalability. Depending on your approach, there might be opportunities to scale your earnings by expanding your reach or diversifying your offerings. Finally, we have global reach. Many platforms provide access to a global audience which can help you grow your presence and revenue beyond local markets. So earning money on platforms like Kick offers flexibility, diverse income streams, and opportunities for skill development. It typically has a low barrier to entry and can provide access to a global audience. This approach can be advantageous for balancing work with other commitments and potentially scaling your earnings over time. However, success often depends on the effort you put in and how well you leverage the platform's features and opportunities. So you can just start with cake.com and you will earn money per day. So there is a various solution, there is a various things that you can do with Kick by just doing what you love like football, gaming or other things, or just sharing that in the group chats or Facebook, or just share your link in story Instagram in chat, and also photos in Pinterest or is in other apps of social media. So you can just read all information about Kick and you start earning money with this. You can also read this one, and that's it for Kick. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.